Hello, so this is day three of building the web application for AI for Pinoys.com. And I want to share how I actually did like a very simple MVP or at least yung logic lang niya or workflow ng application. No? Niya looks like this. So the idea here is using the framework that um, of business owners that I was speaking to, ano ba yung constant na magiging problema na sa kanilang negosyo. There are few categories, yung people, yung process, how they measure things, and then yung technology na ginagamit nila. No? So if i-fill out ng nila yan, so basically, more or less parang this is how the onboarding would look like, although pangit talaga siya tignan. Mukha lang siyang Google Sheet, which is I don't like, ay Google Form, no? Ayokong ganun. So sabihin lahat yan, and then, okay, just write something. Say car park rental. Hindi, sari-sari store. Sige natin, sari-sari store. Okay. And then, micro. Okay. So, since may context na yung AI on ano yung meron ka, ano yung current standing mo, understanding mo sa negosyo in terms of technology, or do you measure, do you have process, yan. So, then you click on this and it should bring you to a normal chat, no? And the chat, you can actually tell the AI to produce something. So, I need financial tracker. So, ang gagawin ng AI ngayon, it should be able to create a tool that you can use specifically for the sari-sari store, not financial tracker. So, yun ang balak niyang gawin. So, the AI is going to be doing this now, reading it, and let's see if it's actually going to produce that one. So, it did. So, ayan. So, meron siyang ganyan financial tracker na. And then now, you can use this for your sari-sari store. You can export it the tool, no? So, this is a demo lang. Hindi talaga siya final, meaning nakita lang natin yung logic behind the program. No? So, yun lang po, and have a great day.